And for the other one also, we have to select edit surface and then go to the side. Let's also choose all of these. Maybe some of them will be chosen that we don't want them to be chosen, so there is no problem. You can go to filter and then check none, and you have to check the boundary points only, not the interior points. You can click OK, but also we have this one not works in sometimes, so you have to get to make sure that you have selected just the boundaries like that, which is the boundaries point between the surface and the road. So I will go one more time to the side and then try to select that. Also the array will be selected, uncheck that, and also maybe click OK. We have these points. Also I will give the elevation minus 0.5. Let's see in that 3D what we have. Yes, we have adjusted our topography to the road that we have created, and also the points will be below the floors because we have give the elevation of 0.5, which is the 0.3 from the ground because it is the project base point, and also the 20, which is the thickness of the floor. So this is the way how you can adjust your topography with your floors and external floors as we have in this example. Once you finish, you can finish this one, and also let's try quickly to represent that by choosing the section box, and it is not appeared. Yes, it is appeared now, so we can represent that as I showed you in previous videos, like that maybe, and also here like that, and also from here you can also drag this to this point. Maybe we have to adjust the topography a little bit here to have some extension here, or you can from here came all over the way to have this representation. And also from the front you can also play with that to have this representation of the side. Just simply now click right click and hide element in view, and you will get this representation of the topography and our small house.